How to get CAD files directly from AI, whether it's hand-drawn floor plans, elevations, a hand-drawn elevation, or hand-drawn node details, all can be turned into editable CAD files with one click, only one rendering. You can directly generate a set of CAD files. Today a video will show you how to use this amazing tool. Let's start with a hand-drawn floor plan. Open Image 2 CAD tool. Select the floor plan. Upload the image. Click Next. AI auto-recognizes lines. Get CAD line work. Then choose the unfilled line work option. Click Start Conversion. Download Open it. AI sorted the layers logically, and you can use it after a slight adjustment. If there is only one rendering, but need technical drawings quickly, there are 2 steps. Get CAD line work from the render. Use the Image to CAD tool. Adjust it, and it can be used. Use AI agent for site plan and floor plan. Upload the rendering. Enter the prompt. To get CAD line draft. Then upload them to the CAD conversion tool. Pick the drawing type, and convert them in turn. For elevations and sections, use Section Converter. Upload image. Select CAD style and original proportion. Resolution is 2K. Click Start to generate. Get CAD line work. Click the AI image to CAD below. Then convert them into CAD files respectively. Following this process, one rendering can generate a complete set of CAD files. Got it? Go try this productivity hack now.